Hello, good people, and how are you? Welcome to Passionately Intrigued Arts and More with Tracy. I have one more breast cancer awareness t-shirt to make, and I thought I'd go ahead and film it. It's a cricket, size extra large, and it's different than the other one. My God is bigger than cancer, and then it's crushed cancer. I put two images together for this here, and then on each side, I'm going to put the cancer ribbon butterfly. Just something short and sweet and cute. So let me take you to my heat press. Just take you down a little bit and just excuse all my mess. You know, this is a craft room. It's got stuff everywhere. Don't pay it no attention. I've already lint rolled and pre-pressed the shirt for 10 seconds. And so I put a crease in the middle of this image so that I know where the center is. This is a V-neck, a cricket V-neck. So I'm only going to go down 1 inch because you're already down a couple inches with the V-neck. So I'm going to place it about right here. Center it with my fold on the point of the V. And then tape it down. And then what I'm going to do is place this breast cancer awareness ribbon butterfly on each side of that image. Or should I put it up on the shoulders? No. I'm going to place it right here on each side. Just snuggle it in there. Now let me place this other one. Try and do the same distance. Now this is not looking centered to me. Although that's the middle, I have more on this side than I have on that side. That's odd. Okay, hold on. Let me lift this up. Maybe because of the bottom is wider. Let me recenter this because I want to have the same distance on each side. All right, here I go with my OCD, right? Let's measure. And this comes over 5.5 inches. And this comes over only 4. Oh, this is going to be strange. So let me see. So if I do 5 inches, that's 5.25, and then let's see. That's better. That's better. Now let me bring it up to the V. Just under that V, about 1 inch. I'm sorry, I'm going to make sure again. Measure twice, cut once, but we're not cutting. Measure twice, press once. Okay, I think that's better. Now, let me get these butterflies right. Sorry, I keep going back and forth. Crossing your path. So, where'd that ruler go? Just 2 inches from this side. That's about 2 inches from that side. We're gonna go with it. I'm gonna go with it. It is what it is. It's gonna be what's gonna be. All right, let me put the Put your paper down and give this 60 seconds at 400 degrees. See what we got. Pray for the best. Ooh, that's pretty. Took out most of the ink. And this paper is Cola brand Sublimation paper. That's one butterfly. Beautiful. Now, let's take off this big one. Oh, so vibrant. That is beautiful. Took out most of the ink. Okay, I'm satisfied. Let me show you. So I staggered the butterflies, one up, one down. I could have put them a little closer in. Yeah, I could have put them a little closer in, but I didn't, and it is what it is. Cute, cute. Thank you. Hit that thumbs up, please. I'd appreciate it. Leave me a comment, and have a wonderful day. Toodles. See you soon.
The next day.
So, I thought there was too much space here between the ribbon butterflies and this little area here, because I had measured from the outside in placing these down, so that just left just too much space right here. So I made two more butterfly ribbons, and they're a little bit smaller, a little bit, just a fourth of an inch smaller, and I placed them right here. So let's press these on here and give it a little more something something, so it can bring it all together, because they're just spaced too far for me. And then I've got this pillow in here because I had to bring the shirt in further, and then this V-neck, if you press it down, it will leave the imprint on the back of this shirt of the V. So we're gonna see if this works. I put this little pillow in here for the V, and hopefully it won't press on the back. So let's cover it with this butcher paper and give it 60 seconds. Okay, let's check it out and see what happened. And that is why you put butcher paper down, because you already have an image on here, and that ink will go to the top of your press if you don't. Alrighty. Not as vibrant, but it's there. And that's okay. It all still blends. And let's take this pressing pillow out. And that did stop the seam from pressing onto the back of here, showing that. And so that worked. So let me show you and tell me if you like this better. Bringing it closer together like that. Hit that thumbs up, y'all. Please and thank you. Leave me a comment. Tell me what you think. Have a wonderful day. I see you. I appreciate you. I am grateful for you. Thank you.